Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys ScrapDiva Design's new August release, which is now available on her website, so you guys can get any of this stuff. And of course, don't forget to use the code Carolina for 10% off. That works on like the dies, the individual dies, but if you were to get the bundle, that is already super discounted, so that code doesn't work on it, but still, oh my gosh, such cute dies. And I actually have, there's a few more that I don't have to share with you guys, but I will share with you on my iPad so you guys could see what it looks like and so you could see what is included in that whole entire bundle if you were to get the bundle. So let's get started and I'll share with you guys the new August release dies. Okay, so one of the first new dies is this one. I had already started using this, and this is the shaker banner. It is so cute. I didn't use it as a shaker, but it is such a cute banner. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the banner, and I actually used the negative piece rather than doing like a layering outline piece. So you could use the negative or you could use the outline piece. Here's what it would look like with an outline piece, for example. So I used the negative inside of here and I just glued it down, so you get kind of like two options of how you can make your little banner. But here's another example of how you could do it with just the outer layering piece. But yeah, so you have two options of how you can make your banner, and it is so cute. Just imagine all the projects you can add your banner to, like adorable. So that was one of the ways I decided to use mine. And yeah, I used it on two projects so far. So that is the shaker banner. Okay, next up, this one is the SB, so Steamboat Willie Memory Decks number 2. This one, I didn't use the Memory Decks card in particular, but I used the word magic. And again, that was on here. I really like that font for the word magic. It just looks very Disney-esque. And so I really wanted to add that onto here. And I think that looks so cute. But you could also use this as a Memory Decks card. You also get a little bow in here, and it is very cute. So if you wanted to just use the bow individually, add it to like a project, you could totally do that as well. So very cute. Next up, we have this die set here, and this one is the tab set number 3. So this one, you actually can make your tabs and make file folders any sizes basically. So you would fold your paper in half and have like a little piece sticking out, or I guess both sides really sticking out. And then you would cut this little file folder and die cut it out. So you have the option to do a little file folder on anything that you are working on. Isn't that so cute? So I absolutely love that. I can't wait to play with those. I love making little file folders and things like that. And now I can make any size with this die set. So that is going to be so much fun. And you also get like a little layering piece, like if you wanted to like label it, maybe print something out and label it, like you could do that. You could also even just use these to organize your own things and projects and like that. Maybe dies, you want to organize dies, you can make a little tab thing. It doesn't even have to be like a file folder. It could just be like a little tab, but so cute. Then we have this die set, and this is the Milkshake glass die set. It makes a cute little milkshake, so just imagine little embellishments using these maybe for the summer. Lots of milkshakes happening, ice cream cones and stuff like that. So you could use one of these for the summer, or just any projects you want to work on. Like milkshakes are just cute, okay? So you could add that as an embellishment to something. Then we have this die set, and this is the photo booth pocket and tag set. There are 2 pages of dies in here. So I could see myself using this one in mini albums and things like that when I'm going to decorate, because this can be like a little interactive kind of die. So I just want to share with you guys, for example, so this is the photo booth pocket. I didn't get a chance to create with it yet. I literally just got these dies last night and all I was able to do was add the little finished decorations to my project that I had already like worked on, and I knew the dies were coming, so I wanted to wait to like add that to there. But for example, this is the photo booth, and you could make it like a little interactive section where you can like pull out your little photo strip. This is the second page of dies here. It can turn this into a box as well, so if you wanted to make this like a little box, you could probably do that. It looks like you might be able to. I mean, this part looks like it folds. Well, I mean, I'm sure there's a way to turn it into a box. I'm not entirely sure how just yet, but here's another look at what it could look like. These are just used as just the front part here. Instead of, they didn't use the second page of dies. Oh, here they turned it into like a little box. So there you go. But yeah, isn't it so cute, you guys? I mean, think about it. You could use it as just like a little slide out thing for like a photo booth, which I love the interactive feature of it, but you could also just use the little elements individually. You could turn this into like a little bookmark, and there's just lots of different options with the photo booth pocket and tag set. Then we have this die set. This is another 2-page die set, and this one is called the Sisterhood Travel Journal Sentiments. So I decided to write them all out of what you would be getting in here, and what the sentiments say. So you have Our Stories Travel, Traveling, or Traveling Journal, Currently, Travel, Favorites, Photo, Sisters, Leave One, and then there's a second page of dies that says Pages Between Us, Your Turn, About Me, Sisterhood, and Take One. I'm thinking this would be also really cute as sentiments on a bookmark, like Pages Between Us or Your Turn. I think is very, very cute. Even just favorites, like maybe your favorite quotes. You could put like all of these for like traveling kind of journals and things like that. Also, like, I thought that was so cute. And it also has the shadow layer with the stitched, with the fall stitched look. And I just love that. Next up, we've got this die set. And this one is the Mini Butterfly Folio die set. There are 2 pages of dies on this die set as well. And you can create, like, this is the front part here that has the little butterfly pieces, and it creates like a little butterfly closure on your folio. You have, like I said, 2 pages of die sets. So you have these little like gusseted pieces. You have these elements that you can turn into flaps or pockets and things like that. I love the little wavy things. Like, that's an example right there where they used one. And I think it's just so much fun. Here's another one where they used it as a pocket. Very, very cute little folio, and that would be a great project to actually use to create something with your scraps. So I think that is just absolutely adorable. So again, that's the Mini Butterfly Folio. This next one I'm super excited about because I could see myself making a ton of these, and I know it doesn't look like much right now, but this is the A2 bingo card set. I love adding bingo cards to my journals and projects and things like that, so I'm very excited for this. And you get 2 pages of die sets in here as well. This first page has like the word bingo on it. You've got like a little frame that you could use with like a little bow, so you could use that as a decorative piece on literally anything. And then you've also got the second piece, which I want to share with you guys, that looks like this, and that's like the grid for the bingo. So feel free to use the negative spot or just the layering piece, because you could do either way. I mean, because this is going to cut out like a stitched layer, and then it's also going to cut out the little squares. So if you wanted to glue down the squares individually, you could do that, or just glue this down onto like a black mat, or not even black, but like any color mat really. And then here's some examples of some of the projects. There's that little like frame piece. How cute is this? Look at this. Isn't that so much fun? I love this. So cute. Oh, so you actually get 2 words of bingo. I think that says bingo also. Maybe bingo. I think so. It looks like there's 2 words of bingo. One like the, yeah, one script font and one like solid kind of font. So cute. I love bingo cards. So there is the A2 bingo card set. Then there's this one. This one is the Steamboat Willie treat bag. I am so excited to create with this one and make something with it. This one is absolutely adorable, like a cute little treat bag. And imagine, like, for a craft fair, I need to make some for a craft fair. I think these are going to be really good sellers, or at least that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm imagining. I think it's going to be so cute, you guys. So I can't wait to share with you guys what that looks like finished once I do get a chance to play with that. And then the last one I have to share with you guys, but there's a few more I'm going to share with you in just a second that I don't have in my hand right now. But this one is the Mason Jar Shadow Box. So you can turn this into a shadow box. You can turn this into like a little mini album and add like a little ring, or you could even do like a cinch bound kind of album. I'm thinking summer paper would be really cute, like, or even like fruit themed paper, strawberry jam. Like, oh my gosh, I love my jams and my jellies. Like, this is so cute. You could make a cute little farmer's market mini album. Like imagine like a little trip to a farmer's market and you want to document it. So cute. All right, so that is all part of the new release. And then there's a few more that I don't have to share with you, but I do want to share with you guys here at least. So there's the memory decks, address, and stamp set. So if you were to get the bundle, this would be a part of it. You get a memory decks card and you get the stamp set that says name, phone, cell phone, email, address, and a note. So that's a great way to include your information, because that's what memory decks cards are intended for, to include your information so that people have your information like right at their fingertips, kind of like in the older days how people used to do address books and stuff like that. So that is a really cute idea, and obviously you could decorate it as little or as much as you want. The folding tab set, I need to get my hands on this because I think this is so cute. But all of these are little tabs that fold like this, and you can add them to your project. So depending on what you're making, you could use it as on top of a bookmark. You could add it in like a little file folder thing. You could add it as like a little insert into your albums and things like that. I use my these little tabs in my journals and my mini notebooks all the time. These would be so much fun for me to get because they have different shapes to them, and I think it's so cute. Imagine little bows peeking out from my little notebooks. How adorable. So that is the folding tab set that you can also get. Oh, somebody used like the bow here. Like how cute. Even the heart one they used. How cute is this, you guys? Okay, I definitely need to get that one. The pocket set number 2, I could see myself using this one in journals and things like that as well, junk journals or whatever. There are little embellishments that you could include in a project. Like how cute is that? And this also comes with the layering piece, like that is like the little note page. So it's all very cute. You get both pages like that. So all of these little layering pieces that you could put inside to actually write on, and it has the little lines so you could write on it better. Like how cute. I love these. I love these little pocket dies. I think they're so much fun. So there's that one. Then there's also a file folder set. So if you don't want to play around with the file folder tabs, this is a file folder set that already has a variety of sizes for you guys to use your file folders. And you guys know I love my little mini file folders. I make embellishments with them all the time, and I include them in little projects. So this is one way to do that. If you don't want to play around with just the file folder kind of tab, you can now just create like a little set of goodies, and you have different sizes. They're perfect to use scraps with, and you could also just die cut out the background in like a solid color and just cut around like a little rectangle or square as a layering piece for the front if you only have like smaller amounts of paper. Like a great way for using up your scraps. And you also get some flowers on these dies as well. But I think this is so much fun, so I definitely got to get my hands on that. And then there's also 2 more dies. This one is the bookmark set that I don't have to share with you guys right now. But the bookmark set, you could turn it into a shaker if you want, or just use it as like a regular kind of bookmark. You get other elements in here as well. So you get the little bows in here. You get this word that says enjoy, and it is just such a cute little like bookmark set. And I love like the little shaped frames, and so cute. I especially love this one. Very cute. Okay, and then last but not least, you would also be getting the 3D picnic basket if you were to get the bundle. This one also has a lot of page of dies. This is a 3-page set of dies for the 3D picnic basket. And you get everything you need to kind of create a cute little basket like this, like the little handle, the little bottom part. These open up, like each flap opens up. How adorable, you guys, is this die set, okay? Let me just share with you again that page. There you go. You get all those dies plus all the layering pieces and everything. So cute. So that is what I wanted to share with you guys for ScrapDiva's new August release. I hope you guys check it out. Like I said, use the code Carolina for 10% off of your order. Or if you were to get the whole bundle, that is going to be your best deal, because you're literally going to get all of the dies that you could play with and work on and include in other projects and things like that, or even as standalone projects. So much fun. Okay, so that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Obviously, stay tuned. I have some projects coming up that I want to share with you guys, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.